When drawing a design, you have the option to make the outline bolder by adding an additional line. This is easy to set up. You would first select the shape or shapes that you want to add the additional line to. You would go into Object Edit, choose the additional line icon, turn it on, and then that will be applied to your design. And you will see on screen a difference in the outline for the shapes that have this option selected. Just a reminder, this only applies to drawn objects and it doesn't do multiple cuts.